Have you ever looked at the world, or even your own life, and felt like something is deeply broken? Like things are not the way they are supposed to be? That feeling is real. The Bible calls this problem sin. It's not just about breaking rules. It's the human tendency to make ourselves the center of our own universe. This leads to broken relationships with God, with others, and even with ourselves. It's a disconnect from the wholeness we were made for. But right in the middle of this brokenness, there is good news. In fact, that's what the word gospel literally means. The good news is that God has not given up on his world or on us. He has a plan to rescue and restore everything. This rescue plan isn't a set of rules. It's a person. Jesus. God himself stepped into our broken world. Through his life and his death, Jesus took the consequences of our brokenness upon himself to repair the relationship between us and God that we couldn't fix on our own. Because of what Jesus has done, God offers us a gift. It's the gift of grace, of being welcomed, accepted, and made right with him. Not because we've earned it, but because he loves us. It's a complete reset. The gospel is the true story of the whole world. It's an ongoing story of restoration and hope. And it's an invitation for every single one of us to find our place in it.